right, today I'm gonna take a foam cannon to the face. What up, guys? All right, today Anthony's gonna blast me in the face. Today I'm gonna get it squirted on. So all right, guys, so in all seriousness, we get the question all the time. We get people asking us, how do you take care of a vinyl wrap? And one of the things that we tell people first and foremost is you gotta keep it clean. That's gonna be the thing that's gonna make these wraps last the longest, is you wanna make sure it stays clean and you wanna make sure the dirt doesn't cake on and get baked on from the sun. So keeping the wrap clean is the first and biggest, most important aspect of making your vinyl wrap last. Using the right products is second. So we've created a full line of vehicle wrap detailing supplies. We've did this in collaboration with Rev Automotive. And the reason why I mention that is there it is right there. The reason why I mentioned that is I want you guys to know that we didn't just pretend to be chemists. We didn't pretend to go in there and go into a laboratory and just rebrand some product. This was specifically catered and designed for premium from Rev Automotive, who is in the auto detailing industry. So they're well known for creating great products. We saw that window and we got in with them and we made sure that we made the best product with them. So we went through a couple different trial and errors, making sure that the product worked exactly how we wanted, the foam came out exactly how we wanted, and it finally has been there. So it's been long overdue. The industry has needed this and it's here now. So here's the first product that we have. We got the quick detailer. Second product is wrap shampoo, and that's what you're seeing sprayed on the car. And then we got the all-purpose cleaner over here. So the all-purpose cleaner itself is one of those products that if you get heavy stains, debris on your wrap, this is what you're gonna use to get it off, and it works really well. Wrap shampoo, like I said, is what they sprayed on there. So that's the hydrophobic foaming spray. And then you got the quick detailer. So you wanna keep this in your car, use this every day as much as you can. This is what you can just do daily maintenance with. The guys are over there having fun, so let's leave this spot and let's go over there.
Wait, so it's basically separate? It's not one piece?
Yeah, so actually you can just release this right here.
Oh!
And put on your original nozzle.
That's fancy.
And then you go, oh!
It's made specifically for wrap. But the beauty of it is that you can use it for paint, because if it's gentle enough for wrap, then obviously
It's gentle enough for paint.
You've never foam cannoned before.
My first time.
Are you excited?
Yeah. I mean, I've done it like at the car wash, the express ones.
No, you did the real deal.
This is the real deal. I'm gonna give you guys the real deal spiel on how to wash your automobile.
So are we gonna maybe sell those?
Yeah, so I believe
This is like our tester?
this is our tester, but pretty much these were made for our company. This is for one of our products, so we're gonna be able to make sure you guys have this available to you guys as well. All you guys need is a pressure washer, obviously.
And if you don't have a pressure washer, you just go like
really hard.
That's how
as hard as you can, and then it just boom.
Well, if you guys didn't already know, we are actually also a overlay company, and we make overlays for tons of different vehicles, and this is one of them. This is an amber delete. This is just a little smoke tint piece that, you know, just smokes out the amber delete. But we have it for a whole bunch of different cars and a whole bunch of different products. So if you guys are interested in anything like that for your car, go ahead and check the link in the description below. So, other than spraying yourself in the foot, easy to use?
Yes, very easy to use. It's a lot of fun, actually. It's like you can make your car white in like 10 seconds and then it's back to red again. So don't need a wrap when you got a foam cannon.
Alright, so we've seen how the foaming works. Obviously, it's basically the same as you would when you regularly wash your car. It's the same stuff, but now we also have this, which is kind of the finishing touch, which both of you guys are going to use. Basically, all it does is makes it more vibrant, and there is a little bit layer of protectant in there.
Yeah, so you guys may be asking yourselves, do I even have anything wrapped on my car? Actually, yes, my entire roof of my car is wrapped. So this is actually going to be useful, and we're going to try it out and test it out.
So this is definitely a great, example of the all-purpose cleanser, APC.
Yeah, so I got impounded, right? So they wrote all over my windshield, but they got on my banner too. Like, if you look at this, like, I'm not even messing around right now. Like,
it's on there.
Yeah, look.
And so you tried.
Look, here's my nail. out. See?
And you tried alcohol and it didn't come out?
Yeah, alcohol didn't work, but
This with some good scrubbing
yeah.
gets it to go away?
Well, kind of just letting it sit on it for a bit.
Gotcha.
See how it turns out. I was really pissed off about this. Oh shit.
What? Get out of here.
Hey, but on the real though, that's pretty crazy. Oh wow, it's like indented in there. They got it all.
Really went in on you.
What a...
Whoever wrote on that was angry with the marker.
Flex, I just wanna win. Yeah. LA BB, who we running with? Yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again.
So, obviously surface is still a little dirty, and I wouldn't even say it's dusty or anything. It just, I haven't washed this car in so long, I feel like it's just got some stuff caked on it. You're telling me this is the stuff?
Oh, well, if there's stuff caked on it, you want to use the APC real quick then. If you feel that way, then I would 100% use the APC real quick.
Since she isn't gorgeous, live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman.
Now that all done and comfortable with everything that's off,
Yeah.
cool, we're gonna use this guy. This guy!
So supposedly this makes it look vibrant,
There
right?
you go, that's the word.
Do I just like rub it in or do I just wipe it off?
Yep, you're just gonna work it in the panels.
Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win.
Literally the first time I ever used it, I was shocked because I didn't expect it to work so well. I was like really hopeful that it was gonna work really good, but then it worked like even better than expected. So that was actually pretty cool. And honestly, like it always, to me, after I use it, it makes it seem like it was freshly done again, like a brand new wrap, like you just wrapped your roof. Glossy. Glossy.
Yo, it really does make a difference, honestly. It like brings out the shine.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.
Wow, we're freaking trying to rinse this shit. Johnny's over here in fucking 2045. The what sticker? Oh God.
Yeah, I'm giving them so much clout. You know, it looks like fucking
An emoji when you put
player that you don't fucking unlock yet.
Frozen. 8-6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and age. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the.
We're all cleaned up, and then we're gonna check this mad scientist. He put a sticker. Oh my God.
Where are we going?
Anywhere, like even if it's just in the back of this lot or over where the blossom tree is or whatever. I'm honestly thinking, ooh, a little ride along, and we can just, you know. Oh fuck! Oh my God! What? I wasn't prepared for that. Oh my God!
Alright guys, and that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed watching our cleaning products, make sure you check them out on our website. Anything that you have, you know, anything that's vinyl related on your car, if you have it wrapped, make sure you use that on it. It'll make it super clean. What
Like
else?
this?
Pretty much makes it super clean, and you know, like I said, it's on our website. Check it out.
That's it. See you in the next one.
See you in the next one. I'm not doing the rollaway. That's kind of lame.
Flex, I just wanna win. Yeah. LA BB, who we running with? Yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again. Yeah. State your name. Big been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass. Slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in. Yeah, flex, I just wanna win. Yeah, LA BB, who we running with? Yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. Bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of Ben Dope, he just napping. Jackson's Off the rapping, keep it on my body, bitch. I'm broke if you